Hey YouTube, my name is Ayuba Kassiazou. I'm a student at Collège Antique in Montreal. I've been studying social science for a year and a half now. For those of you who don't know, social science is a general program. If you're interested in going to university and study social science fields and areas such as teaching, business, economics, philosophy, you're in the right program. For myself, I chose business. The first challenge I'll have to face as a businessman is going to be the language barrier. English is the first spoken language in the business world, so there's no escape from it. Fortunately, I found a solution to my problem. This solution is called virtualwritingtutor.com. So the first step to my solution is to open Google, first of all. And second of all, in the search bar, you just have to write virtualwritingtutor.com. Press enter. There you have it. So if you're wondering, yes, you can create an account just here. Press on login and looking to create an account. Press create an account and they'll help you register. Email, password, it's really simple. Okay. So if you had any questions about the website, just scroll down here and you have all the terms and definitions you need to know about the website. Okay, so the most important thing in this website is the text area. So if you remember, and as I told you, it's 100% free. If you remember, you can write up to 3,000 words, so you can put basically an essay in it. If you're not a member, you can write up to 500 words. So it's beneficial for you to create an account so you can write up to 3,000. Okay, so in the right of the text area, you have different buttons. So the first one is the speech recognition. So if you can't write or you're feeling lazy, you just press on it and it will automatically write what you are talking about. Okay. The second button is the text to speech. So if you don't know how to pronounce something, you just have to write it here, and it will pronounce it for you. For example, I'll write Salmon, because I don't know how to pronounce that word. So I'll press here on text to speech.
Salmon.
And it tells me here that it's salmon, not salmon. So, it's basically the same thing for all the words you don't know. So the second thing is your grammar. Okay, in my opinion, it's the most important thing. You don't want to look like a 2-year-old in front of businessmen and women around the world. So what you can do is, so you're gonna type your sentence or your essay or whatever you need to type. So I'll type a dollar in the 1950s had the same buying power as $10.23 in 2017. All right. So if you want to check, if you want to count your words, you just have to press on count words. So we have it there. You have 14 words in total. I have one sentence. It's just because of the $10.23 that it said that I have two sentences. Okay, so nothing too bad. So the second thing I want to check is grammar. Okay, so here it tells you have 12 words, you have 3 errors, and your error density is 25%. So the more you are close to zero, the better it is. So here it tells me that the feedback about the sentence is this sentence does not start with an uppercase letter. So I'll go back up. Oh, I didn't write it with an uppercase letter, so I'll change it right now. So I'll click again on check grammar. Boom, now I have 2 errors. So 17%. So the second error is you wrote a dollar and it's underlined with red, which means that is your error. So here in the feedback it says that possible spelling mistake found. So I'll go back up. Oh, dollar. I didn't put two L's. I just put one. Okay. So I'll click back on check grammar. Oh, I have one error now, and it says possible spelling mistake found as well. So here it's on the word buying. So I thought it was BAU, but apparently it's BUYING. Okay? So a dollar in the 1950s had the same buying power as $10.23 in 2017. So I'll click again on check grammar. So here I have it: zero error, 0% error density, zero error count. Okay, so perfect. I can download this sentence if I want to listen to it in the car, in the bus, at the library if I don't have Wi-Fi. So just press in here, and it will
A
open
dollar
up
in the 1950s had the same buying power as $10.23 in 2017.
as you. Oh, sorry guys. So as you saw, it opens pretty quickly. You can download a doc file as well. So if you wanna read it at home or anywhere else. So another great tool about that website is the dictionary. Okay, so you have it there. So if you don't know how to write the word, let's say inflation. Okay, so excuse me, you know how to write it, but you don't know what inflation means. So just open dictionary and write inflation. Look it up, and there you have it. A general continuous increase in prices. So now you know what inflation is. You can close that tab and close that one too. So if you don't know how to pronounce inflation, just click in here.
Inflation.
There you have it. Okay. So guys, now that you have virtualwritingtutor.com, you cannot be scared to pronounce anything and be treated like a ridiculous person. Okay. So whenever you have difficulties, just come to virtualwritingtutor.com, write what you need, correct it, check the spelling, even if you want to download it and listen to it in the bus, and everything's gonna be good for you guys. Okay, so take care. See you soon, YouTube. Stay tuned. Bye, guys.